Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install camera lens cover on your iPhone 16 Pro or any of the iPhone here. So this one I was able to get on one of the sites like Amazon or eBay. You can get it. These are pretty cheap to get or in store as well. And in order to install it, it's going to be really simple. These come with adhesive to it, and I'm going to show you how to do it properly. So you have this right here. It usually comes with some wipes as well. And the reason why you want to use the wipe here is to make sure there's no dust, lint, or anything on it. So usually there's 1 and 2. You might see something like this. It says remove excess dirt and then remove dirt as well. So first one is a wet one. So we're going to go ahead and use the wet one here. You're going to go ahead and take this out, as you can see here. And then you're going to take this and just simply wipe the lens clearly. This way, when you install it, it doesn't leave a smudge. And then the cover as well. So that's the wet one, and then you're going to use the dry one to dry it off, and make sure that your fingerprint doesn't touch during this process, because your fingerprint has oil or dust from it, so it's important to avoid that. So you're going to take the dry one, and then when you do it, try to keep your finger again off of it as much as possible, and then you're going to really wipe it down. And visually you can check it under the light to make sure it's clear, and then we're ready to install this one. So here you can see here the camera lens is going to go this way. So if you look at it, you can see there's a spot here available for the flash, and then one for that microphone on the back. You'll see there's a microphone spot as well, so it's important to line it up. So what you'll do is take this off the adhesive, and again you want to avoid touching any part with your finger, the adhesive part and the lens as well. So I'll show you as it's really sticky, so adhesive just takes a little bit to come off. And once you get it off, here you're going to try to line it up as perfectly as you can, making sure that you don't cover that mic. So we're going to go ahead and put it on here. You can pretty much eyeball it. And then take the wet and the dry again napkin, and then you're gonna just press it on nicely. So let's go ahead and press it on again. See how that installation looks, and you're gonna make sure that it's leveled here. You can see here, just like that, and that's how you can install it. Really simple and easy to do. And from there on, let's go ahead and wipe this down. You're just gonna test the camera to make sure it works. So usually the back camera, right? Cancel, continue, and you're gonna make sure, of course, the image is coming clear the way it should without interfering. So that's how you can install the camera cover lens on your iPhone 16 Pro or any of the new 16 lineup. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.